How to make zoomed grid background in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag a 4-color gradient in Timeline. Select it and open up Inspector panel and click on Generator tab. Click on each color and choose another color. Here I use blue and orange. Now click on Effects and drag an adjustment clip in the second track in Timeline. Click on Open FX and search for Grid and drag it into the adjustment clip. Select the adjustment clip and in the Inspector click on Effects tab. Set major line spacing to 0, horizontal and vertical line width to 0.01 and global blend to around 0.4. Search for Transform and drag it into the adjustment clip. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to Zoom to make a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set Zoom to around 1.7 to add a second keyframe. Expand animation and increase motion blur. Click on these two buttons, then press Ctrl+A to select all the keyframes, and click on this button to smoothen the animation.